Weaver ants genus Ocophila are a fascinating group of ants, known for their remarkable nest-building behavior and social structure. Appearance: weaver ants are typically bright green or yellowish-green in color, with a slender body and long legs. Habitat: weaver ants are found in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Australia, and Africa. They are commonly found in trees and shrubs, where they construct intricate nests. Nesting behavior: the most distinctive feature of weaver ants is their nest-building behavior. They are known for weaving large nests made of living leaves. The ants grasp the edges of leaves with their mandibles and pull the leaves together, securing them with silk produced by their larvae. This creates a nest that provides shelter for the colony and offers protection against predators. Social structure: weaver ants have a highly organized social structure with multiple castes, including queens, workers, and soldiers. The queens are responsible for reproduction. Workers handle foraging, nest building, and caring for the brood, while the soldiers defend the nest from threats. Diet: weaver ants are omnivores, feeding on a variety of food sources. They primarily consume nectar, honeydew produced by aphids and scale insects, and other small insects. Behavior: these ants are very territorial and aggressive when defending their nests. They use their powerful jaws to bite and their ability to spray formic acid as a defense mechanism against intruders. Weaver ants communicate primarily through pheromones. Pheromones are chemical signals that convey information about the presence of food, danger, or mating readiness.